have selected an occupation in air operations, specifically pilot, air combat systems officer, and/or aerospace controller, one of your first steps is attendance at the Canadian Forces Aircrew Selection Centre in Trenton, Ontario, where you'll undergo approximately 7.5 hours of testing over a 2-day period. This consists of a series of computer-based tests to evaluate specific aptitudes for these 3 occupations. The results will be used to determine which employment opportunities are the best match for your abilities. The experience is designed not only to assess your abilities within specific mental domains, but also to observe your capacity to concentrate for long periods and perform under stress. Before you arrive at Trenton, it's important to understand the challenging nature of the testing so that you are fully prepared and postured for success. You will be tested in the following areas. Strategic task management evaluates the ability to strategically control several ongoing tasks, including planning ahead, organizing, and prioritizing, all under a degree of time pressure. Perceptual processing measures the ability to scan visual and audio environments and pick out relevant information without being distracted. This test can be thought of as the ability to play Where's Waldo. Short-term memory and capacity assesses your ability to remember words, numbers, or pictorial information temporarily, without interference from other tasks, or without being disrupted by new incoming information. Spatial reasoning examines your ability to form 3-dimensional mental pictures, understand different spatial relationships between objects, and project objects forward in time and space. Symbolic reasoning evaluates your ability to conduct mental math calculations and work with technical information to resolve practical problems. There is also a test of psychomotor ability to assess the interaction between your visual perception ability and your fine motor skills. And finally, central information processing looks at your ability to switch attention between tasks and refocus to different tasks in a short period of time. Further to this testing, you will be presented with realistic job previews. These will provide you with information about the training associated with each air operations occupation, as well as the type of activities and operations they typically conduct. Once the testing is complete, you will receive a debrief of your results and be provided with information on next steps. Even if your results indicate that you are not a suitable candidate for one specific occupation, you may be well suited for another. Your local recruiting officer may be of assistance in helping you consider your options for these occupations or other possible opportunities. Please note that aircrew selection testing is just one step in the assessment process. Other requirements include medical assessments, a suitability interview, and security screening. You'll also be measured to see if you fall within the physical limits to safely operate within the Royal Canadian Air Force fleet of military aircraft.